Guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you where Chrome bookmarks are stored. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. First of all, this is open your Chrome. You can see I'm on my Chrome. So let me first bookmark something. For example, I search this Richard Man in Old. I open in this website and let me bookmark this first. So to bookmark, all you have to do is just tap on this three dot on top right corner and bookmark, and it said bookmark to mobile. Okay, so question is where that bookmark is saved. So to find the Chrome bookmarks, all you have to do is tap on this three dot on the top right corner, this. From here you will see this icon bookmark. You will find the list of all the website you bookmark. In our case, we had saved for this website, who is the person in the world. Okay, this one. We can open this like this, or you can just delete from here, move to another folder, and you can create folder with a specific name on a bookmark section, like example or whatever. And you can add specific things on the specific folder on a bookmark section, like for example that you can add, select, and you can delete and move to someone other file or whatever. This is how you find. This is where Chrome bookmarks are saved. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel.